Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing, look and review and install guide on a white IKEA desk of the FPDU Bayou power distribution unit with USB power. So this is USB that just gets power, will not go to your computer for sending files and whatnot. It includes 2 screws, and you obviously have to cut out a hole with like a reciprocating or a jigsaw in your desk. It's interesting because if you think about it, it'll sit, flush on top like that, but these stick out. So would it be nice that they were all flush? Because you're gonna kind of see that from the side, kind of like two buttons. But yeah, feels pretty solid, nice thick cord, grounded. Obviously grounded because it's grounded. So I'm gonna install it in the IKEA desk. Maybe take some videos and pictures, and I'll show you guys how that looks. Definitely worth checking it out. I know you guys really loved and appreciated the desk grommet videos. There's an IKEA triple USB. Have just a circular grommet, put a hole in the desk, IKEA desk. And now have this guy here, which is a rectangular grommet, reciprocal, and USB powered. You can't transfer data to your computer because it's just basically the plug. So with the other grommets, right, you would just use the circular drill attachment. For this one, because it's rectangular, you're gonna have to use a reciprocating saw or a jigsaw like this one. So it's actually pretty easy. What you want to do is, it's actually kind of fitting that there's holes here, but essentially that's how it's gonna look. You're gonna kind of measure here, then you're gonna draw here, but you wanna draw a little bit smaller than this. So you'd take off like, a 1/4 of an inch on each side, because when you cut the hole, you don't want it to be too big and this to be rattling around. You want it to be too small or snug. If it's too small, you can always take the jig and kind of widen the hole a bit. You can't reduce the hole, you can only widen. So always do too small to start. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill 4 holes, okay? Just like kind of how that looks. Then I'm going to connect the holes with the jigsaw by just drilling in, going like that, then I'll go like that, then I'll go like that, then I'll go like that, and then tap down the piece of the wood, it'll fall, put this in, and you should be good to go. From the outside in, so I got 4 centimeters. So then what I did was I marked off 4 and then 4, and I'm gonna go a little bit shorter on the distance between these. Make sure you tidy up your shavings so your wife doesn't get angry at you. Take the jigsaw and put it in the newly created holes. And then you're gonna cut along your lines. It doesn't have to be too pretty. There's a little margin for error, like even if it's a little wide here and there, because you have the fascia around the side that will protect that, like every outlet in a house. But if you do it right, you should hear this noise, because if it drops right in, it's gonna be wobbly, right? You do have the screws that will help with that, but generally you want things like this to be snug. So it looks pretty good. Have a little bit of white paint to add there and there, but awesome, functional, flush. Actually, never mind, looks way better with the screws. So I hope you enjoyed this review, unboxing, and setup guide, and I hope you have a great day.